In this tutorial, I will show you different ways to open the Device Manager on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. You can follow along and use whichever method is most convenient for you. First, you can use a quick keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key and the X key at the same time. This will open a menu in the bottom left corner of the screen. From this menu, select Device Manager. Another way is to right-click on the Start button, which is the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. A menu will appear. From this menu, click on Device Manager. You can also open Device Manager using the Search menu. Click on the search icon in the taskbar or press the Windows key and start typing Device Manager. When you see Device Manager in the search results, click on it to open it. Another method is through the Control Panel. Open the Search menu and type Control Panel. Click on the best match result to open it. In the Control Panel, change the view to large icons. Then, find and click on Device Manager. There is also a way to open it from the Settings app. Open the Search menu and type Settings. Click on the best match result to open it. In the Settings window, select System from the left panel. Scroll down on the right side until you find About. Click on About and then scroll down again to find Device Manager under the related Settings section. Click on it to open Device Manager. Another method is to use the Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on Run New Task. In the new window that appears, type dvmgmat.mscc and press Enter. This will open Device Manager. These are some of the main ways to open Device Manager on Windows 11 or Windows 10. You can choose any method that works best for you. Thank you for watching.